All right, welcome back to KPM. This is the Scag SFC21. It's a 21-inch finish cut mower. This is a mower that KPM's been asking for from Scag for many, many years, and we finally had our wish granted. This is a personal machine for me, personally a very exciting machine, because we take all this time with commercial mowers and all these fancy machines, and when I go home at the end of the day, what I actually cut with at home partially is a 21-inch mower. So this is really exciting to me because it's applicable to what I do at home as a homeowner. So we're going to walk you through this machine just like we would any zero turn or any other machine that Scag has come up with, and you'll see the Scag difference when we do. Okay, so let's start with the engine on this machine. What we're looking at here is a 7 horsepower Kohler Command Pro. This is actually the same engine that goes on the 30-inch. And there is another engine option on the 21-inch. It's a 5-horse Kohler. We don't have that here to show you today. And actually, the fact that we even got this machine was a little crazy because they've been going out the door so quickly, we haven't been able to grab one to film. So this is one that we pulled off to the side to show you guys so that we can walk through it. Anyway, back to the engine. A couple things just to point out on this Kohler Command Pro. This is one of the best engines in its class at this size, this 7 horsepower, 224cc range. A couple of reasons. First is you've got this cast aluminum rocker cover in the front. You've got your air filter, and if you look, try to get you around here. If you look at this blue thing, pretty easy to see, there's a dedicated oil filter on this engine. Not all engines in this smaller, I'll call it smaller class, come with a dedicated oil filter. This is a good commercial option on a 21-inch mower. Okay, so I can't tell you the brand of 21-inch mower that I'm running at home, but I will tell you one thing. The size of that gas tank on my mower at home isn't anywhere near the size of this one. This is a full 1-gallon tank on this 7-horse model, SFC, and it will fit way more gas than what I have at home. I find myself having to stop and refill more often. Also, while we're down here, I want to point out the wheels. Obviously, you've got a 4-point height adjustability here. Some people would maybe prefer for a single point. With that being said, you can set this thing at a range from about up around 4.5 down to 1.5. So it does have a good range of adjustability, and it's really not the end of the world to make those adjustments on the fly. Lots of other 21-inch mowers do that. So actually, the Scag SFC21 doesn't have a side discharge in the place that we would expect it. Certainly not from those more common 21-inch mowers that we see in the industry. Instead, Scag's mower has a fully captured deck. Okay, here this is 14-gauge steel, fully captured deck, and wear plates on both sides that are replaceable from your local Scag dealer. That's nice because you're not beating your deck up to the point where you have to replace the entire machine. But not having a side discharge on here, which actually probably would have been a little bit cheaper and easier for Scag to do, was a performance decision, okay? This machine is gonna cut a lot of grass, and it's gonna cut it well. Instead of shooting it out the side and windrowing it and clumping it, especially if it's even a little bit high or wet, like your average 21 is gonna do, this mower is going to keep it in, and it actually has the most power coming off the blade in the back here, and it shoots it up into this opening behind here. Now, there's three pieces that you'll see on the ground. We'll go through all of these, but typically, you could put this bagger on here, and it would just shoot up into the bag. But the other thing that you can do in order to get it to discharge is you can put this little accessory that Scag came up with on here. It fits right on here, and what happens is the grass shoots in from the deck into here and out the side, resulting in side discharge. For those who've been in the industry long enough and have used 21-inch mowers of various types, you'll know that this decision really is a performance decision. The mowers that were at the top of the line that really cut grass well in this class of mower had a similar system as well. Let's set the stage here, okay? It's late July here in New Jersey, and typically we would see dry, dusty conditions at this time, easier conditions for a mower. That's actually not the case here. We've had about a month and a half of solid rain. In fact, we had a big thunderstorm last night. So we're dealing with basically early spring lush grass conditions, and because it's so early in the morning, we've still got some dew on the grass. Now, before I jump into showing you real quick just how these attachments work, I wanted to show you, I think in the film you can see this line from where we push the machine in. Wait until you see how this thing stripes, okay? Besides the fact that it's a Scag, it's got this striping, a striping kit on the back kind of, and it's kind of like a flap, and this thing's it's gonna blow your mind. So because Scag designed this the way they did, and it's a classic Scag new product introduction, built from the ground up, not copied off of anything else that's out there in the industry. It's a combination of what they feel is the best of what's out there and some new features as well. These three options that you see here all three are gonna work fantastic, okay? Typically when you buy a machine like this, you buy it because it's really good at mulching or because it's really good at side discharging, but it's not great at bagging. This machine's gonna do all three well, and we're gonna prove it. If you ever wondered whether or not we actually mowed with the machine or not, you could tell I'm sweating pretty heavily here. It's July, it's getting very hot. That's why we did it early in the morning. But yeah, so how did the machine perform? Better even than I thought it was gonna, honestly. I tell you, it's really not too far off from the way that the 30-inch cuts, probably pretty dang close to the way the 30-inch cuts. Bagging was phenomenal. And side discharge was excellent. I'm gonna have a little bit here to clean up because I shot it into the parking lot and stuff. We were trying to get you some beautiful lines to see, but yeah, it's an excellent machine. This SFC21 is the real deal. And the last thing I want to leave you with is remember that the SFC21 counts for 1 fleet point, where right now if you achieve 12 fleet points, you actually get a pretty significant savings on your entire purchase. So your local Scag dealer could tell you way more about that and how that all works, but if you're considering buying one of these and maybe a few other things, it could help you make your fleet points for a nice discount. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.